Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now today we are going to do interior designing for the bedroom. So already here we have a bedroom with the all the interior things, but we are going to renovate a few things like texture, color combination, again little furniture. So I'm going to do that. So let's start. So here I'll delete this particular cupboard. So I don't want this particular design. So select that and delete. So again, first of all, I'm going to change the bed design. So I don't want this bed, so I'll go for the everything I'm going to choose from the Chaos Cosmos. So already I uploaded videos on the Chaos Cosmos. So we are having varieties of furniture and 3D models and as well V-Ray material. As you can see here, material 2000 plus assets again in 3D model 4000 plus assets. So I'm going to do it in bedroom. So I'll select the particular option. So here you will get the option for the bed. Suppose this bed I want to import. So now here it is asking to upgrade. On face I'll keep and I'll scale it little bit either side of this bed. Okay. After placing every furniture and model, I'm going to do the test render for this. So go for the asset editor, settings, and then here we have to go for the test render. First of all, we will check the color combination and the look of our bed, and then we are going to do the modification. As you can see in this, it is totally of like white and gray combination. So I'm okay with this. Just I want to change the background. So I'll go for the V-Ray material. So here you will get the material for V-Ray. So first of all, we will change the background. This is wall paint. So I want wall paint as well. Once if you will import, it will come to the V-Ray settings. So here you can see wall paint. Now what we have to do, which area you want to apply the material, that area you have to select. Suppose if I have selected this, here right click and you have to give apply to selection. So both side, once if you will give, automatically it will get reflect. Then I'll apply it for the both side. So again, I'll do the test render for this. So I got sky blue wall paint, which I have choose from the V-Ray Chaos Cosmos. So again, I need to change this. So I'll go for the particular material and here I'll select the material. We will get all the material like wooden, glass, fabric. Here you can see fabric, silk, everything With settings, it will get no need to change like reflection, glossiness, you can see in this. So these are all the velvet material. Suppose if I want to change the material for this rug, I'll choose particular material from this. Suppose this plain gray texture I want. As our bed it is white, we have to apply darker color. So now already I have selected the texture. So here apply to selection I will do. Again we will do the test render for this. I want to give decent look for this room. That's why I'm trying to import all the material which is having decent color and with plain texture. So here we are done with this. Next to that, or with name also you can search. Suppose if I want wood, you can search with name. All the wooden texture will get here. If I want texture, all the textured whatever, plain green texture, this one. I want this. Next to that, we need to select first background, then right click, apply to selection. So now here you can see the texture, but I want to change the scale. So you have to go for the edit option and then here you can increase the scale. Let's do the test render. As I have applied both side sky blue color, that's why little contrast I want to do for this. That's why I have applied this texture here. Here white bed with gray rug. Again, we have done the combination of light dark likewise. It's up to you how you are imagining like that. Accordingly, you have to apply the whatever texture and material for your room. But now it is not visible correctly. So what we have to do here, we need to change the settings. I don't want the reflection glossiness as well. And next to that, here I'll change the scale. I want little bigger size. So I'll give it 6 feet. Again, we will do the render. This texture, it is not visible properly. So I want to use other texture. So I'll choose this blue texture only. Apply to selection. Then again, we will do the test render. Every time we need to check or cross check the all the settings related to material and furniture. So now I'm okay with this. Next to that, I want to add the furniture here. So again, I'll go for the 3D models in that bedroom. So this cupboard I'm going to import. I'll minimize this. Now this we need to rotate. Now we will do the test render for this. Now you can see the cupboard, bed, everything, wall texture, wall background, ceiling, and floor. We are okay with this, but this sofa and everything I want to change. So what we will do, I'll delete this particular sofa and then we will go for the Chaos Cosmos, and from there I'll choose the, we will import this as a balcony door. So here we will rotate this into 90-degree. Now we have to fix this window or balcony window, we can call it as a, and we have to place it here. Next to that, adjust the scale. Again, we have to do the test render for this. Now you can see the window it has placed. Next to that, I'm going to add the sofa here. So where you will get this, you have to go for the asset and living room. The sofa which it will get matched to this particular room that I'm going to import. So this color will be a contrast and it is having decent texture. First of all, we will place and then we will rotate it 90 degree.